Okay, so Bosch Dishwasher Check light problem number 3, video 3, and this is the part all back in place. You'll notice all this area at the bottom here, this stack pipe where the water comes up and then lifts this, is all now completely clear. The actual bowl that the float sits in now is completely clear, and the valve is now able to sort of move freely. There's the switch there that is activated when the float valve reaches the point, which then tells the water to exhaust. And this is the dishwasher actually. Sorry, I seem to have somehow gone out of focus, but this is the dishwasher now, all working again. So you see the water moves backwards and forwards there as the machine actually goes through its cycle, and the water level in the base varies. So you now know how to take this apart by removing these pipes. Just be careful when you take it out, lots of water will come out, so make sure you've got a bucket to hand. This removes this whole plastic piece, and then you know how to remove this piece and clean it as well. So any questions, as always, just send me a message on the feed, and I'll try and answer as best as I can. Thanks for watching.